Thank you so much for coming back for another video. In this video, I'm just gonna show you a very easy 10 to 15 minute speed clean routine. Can't help but feel so unreal, stay high with you. Okay, so maybe some people clean up a little bit before they actually film, but this is a real life clean with me here. This is my nativity set from Colombia, and all of this here. This heater works really good. I got it from Walmart. So let's get started. Thank you so much for coming for this video. My name is Charisse and I do weekly working mom lifestyle videos. So here is my son Abraham. He is a little ham and loves the camera. Here he is right here.
Just like a dream. I give you a taste. Now when you're with me, you can have your cake. Just love me like you do. Just love me like you do. All I ever wanted, someone like you that would love me like you.
I have a working mama hack for you. So I am not able to do everything that I do if my husband wasn't so awesome and so helpful. So there are times where I just ask him, hey, can you set a timer on your phone for 15 minutes and just do a speed clean with me? And so many times he does it and it's so helpful. Another fun tip I like to do when I ask my husband for help is I use his iPhone to set reminders that I would ask him to do. So for example, I will say, hey Siri, remind me every Tuesday to take out the trash. And that is on his calendar every single Tuesday. So now I don't have to. I don't have to ask him because Siri does her job. Good job, Siri. I will put the video in the description box. I also did a clean with me in my boy's bathroom, but I really love this Clorox. It smells so good and refreshing, and it's so awesome. It feels beyond, it's out of control, out of control. you guys should check if there is a Goodwill distribution center in your area, because I went there, and when you go to the Goodwill distribution center, they don't charge you by the item. They just charge you by the weight of what you're buying, because they're just trying to get rid of it. And I was able to buy that Tiger rice cooker for like $3. It was such an awesome deal, and I was so excited about it. Yay for deals.
It's out of control, but baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control. It's unknown. It fills me up. It's out of control. Baby, I love the rush. Come on, yeah. Out of control, I'm in love. Your chin next to my chin. Try to hold my breath in. Don't wanna wake up. Your heart is my violin. Watching you sleep is comforting. Don't wanna wake up. Wish that I was brave, but I've never been the one. Wish that we could stay like this. I wanna stay. Wish that I was brave, but I've never been the one. Wish that we could stay like this.
And I was able to clear off the tables. So we had this little fish here. My sister gave it to Abraham, and we've had this little guy for a few months now, so it's been fun having a fish. And then we also have Joseph and Mary. These are the Fisher Price Nativity set. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. I provide weekly mom lifestyle inspiration and encouragement, and I would love for you to also hit that bell so you can get notified every single time I post a video. Have a wonderful day. Thanks.